Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and welcome to episode 4 of my series Baking Basics. Now, in the last 4 episodes, we focused on cake, and I showed you how to make a cake from scratch. I will put a playlist up here of all those videos. We made a vanilla cake, a chocolate cake, frosting, and fondant. But today, we're going to move away from cake and into another classic dessert, cookies. In today's video, we are going to be making a sugar cookie, another classic cookie, super easy, also very customizable, and there's so many different things you can do with the cookie. So if you're ready to dough, I'm ready to dough, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to prepare our dry ingredients, and we're going to do this in a large bowl. We're going to start by taking 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, add it to the bowl, and to that we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Then go ahead and whisk it up. I've set our dry ingredients off to the side, and now we can work on our base for our cookies. Over here I have a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, and to that we're going to add 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature and cream it up until nice and fluffy, about 1.5 minutes. After your butter is creamed, now you want to add in 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and mix it up again. Once your butter and sugar is completely mixed, now we want to crack in 1 egg and add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it up yet again. Our sugar cookie base is all ready. I went ahead and scraped down the sides just to make sure that everything was incorporated. And now we can start to mix in our dry. We're going to add in half of our dry, mix it up, and then the last half of the dry and mix it up. Our cookie dough has come together, and now we can place it in some plastic wrap, and then we're actually going to pop it into the fridge for a half hour to chill. Our cookie dough has been chilling in the fridge for 30 minutes, and now we can start to roll it out. I've lightly floured our workstation, and I've got a rolling pin over here, and I'm going to roll it out about 1/2 inch thick. You can go thinner and you can also go thicker. You'll just have to adjust the time that you bake them for. Now, one of the reasons why I love sugar cookies so much is the possibilities for making them and shaping them and decorating them are endless. There are so many things you can do with them. I've just got a few basic cookie cutters here. I have so many more. Now, just cut out whatever shape you'd like and place them on a greased cookie sheet. Well, when you've cut out all of your cookies, now pop them into the oven at 350 degrees for 9 to 10 minutes. And here you have them, our sugar cookies that we made today. Again, this is a very basic recipe, but they taste amazing. I mean, I kind of want to eat one. Sugar cookies are super customizable. You could add other things to them as we have done in the past. You could do lemon zest or another extract, food coloring, really whatever you'd like to add to them. Now, they look kind of plain here, so stay tuned for next week where I show you guys how to make the frosting for your cookies. If you happen to make cookies using this recipe, please share with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes cookies, or someone who wants to learn how to make cookies, or someone you want to make cookies for you. And until next time, maybe make cookies. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video.